CS50, Harvard University's Introduction to the Intellectual Enterprises of Computer Science and the Art of Programming.
This is CS50, the final project G-Trees by Rafik. Introduction. G-Trees is a small web application with the aim of making people more responsible and participative about the environment. The idea is to turn this into a game by leaving to the users the opportunity to create their own virtual forests, which are virtual and at the same time that is real, winning badges and getting discounts or gifts. Let's go through the files. Inside the main folder Trees, we have two other folders, G-Trees and Trees. Trees. The last one are all the root files created by Django when initializing a new project. In urls.p I've included the paths for my application G-Trees, so I can edit my paths directly in the urls.p within my applications folder. In databases I've used a PostgreSQL DB hosted in Heroku to continue be more familiarized with those databases. G-Trees. Here in the other folder is mostly everything. I'll try to explain the most relevant ones. In models are all my models. Profiles for info relative to the users, trees with the data for every tree, and badges to store which badges are active or inactive for every user. Tree codes is to build an idea I had about getting one unique code for every single tree, to make harder to lie when submitting and planting new trees. In offers, I store all the data for the company's promotions. Templates. All the HTML code for the templates. Index is one of interest. There is a section where appears some nice info about the last people that planted trees. This information is updated every time the index page is rendered, and it's shown letting see the image of the user and the kind of tree she or he planted with the dedication in the case it exists. After that there is a section with cards where it will be easy to show some examples of companies who are supporting the project and their gifts of promotions. Then we have the map. There are shown all virtual trees, at the place where they were planted using the Google API for JavaScript. The map is updated every time the map is dragged or zoomed so it doesn't overload the user profile page. There are options to edit the data and upload an image that is automatically resized to fit in the nice frame at the left. All that using JavaScript. As said before, there is a map here too, but this is only to show the user's trees.